1 over 3 fraction. So all this consider a fractions. Okay, those numbers here is the resulting of, like for this one is what? It's 1, right? So we say 1 over 1. What about this one? We have what? Half, right? So how can I write half, not fraction, but decimal? 0.5. And if you want to convert this to percentage, how you convert it? 50%. So you multiply times 100%. So you multiply the decimal times 100%. Now, what about this one? We have how many parts here? 3 parts. 1 over 3, that's fraction, right? How can I write this in decimal? Then you do long division. 0.333. It's not stopping, repeating. And in percent, you make it what? 33%. Okay, 1 over 4. How many parts here? We have 4. So 1 over 4 is a fraction. Decimal is 0.25. And if you want to make a percentage, you multiply times 100%. Okay? And so on. I think this is clear. It's on your notebook. Okay? Now, what about the position of each digit? We know this is what? Ones here. This is called ones, right? And this is tens. So the 5 is ones, 6 is tens. Then what comes after? Hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000, then 100,000, then 10 million. Now, after the decimal point, we start with tenth, and you have to say tenth. THS, tenth. Everybody say tenth. Take your tongue out. Tenth. Tenth. Hundredth. Hundredth. Thousandth. 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 10,000th. 100,000th. Millionth. So that's how you find out the place or the position of each A digits after the decimal A point. Okay? This is classwork. So as soon as you find out the meaning of those words, you have to place them where you complete each statement. Okay? So choose the correct word and put it in the correct place. Okay? That's classwork. Now let's take a look at our first example here. It says, identify the position of each digit in the following numbers. Okay, so 4 is the first here. What would say? What? Ones. Okay. And then we have decimal place, right? And what about the 2? Tenth, right? And what about the 5? Hundredths. Can you do the second one? Yeah, do it inside your booklet. Yeah, fast. Okay, that's the only thing different, right? Okay, what about here? Two difference. We have two difference. 6 and 5 for C. Everything here is the same except 6 and 5. 10,000. Okay.
And 100,000. 100,000.
And this one what?
100,000.
Okay, what about the 2?
Once.
No, not once. 4 is once.
Tens.
Okay? Did you write this inside your notebook? All right, let's go to the next one. Write each decimal as fractions. So we are writing from decimal to what? To fraction. So I have 0.3, and he said, do not write in lowest A term. Means don't simplify. That's what it means. So let's try this one. So this one would be what? 3 over 10. Good. Can you do the second one? Yalla, do the next one. Yalla, inside your notebook. Yalla, who can tell me how you do C? C is what? Yes.
3 and 25.
325 over 100. Yalla. D. Who can tell me D? Mahdi? D?
Me?
So-
100,000.
Yes. So over what?
Over 100,000.
Over what? 1000. Clear? Yeah, let's go to the next one. Add or subtract as indicated. I have 5, 6.3 and I have 12.2. Addition or subtraction? Addition. So I'll put the point under the point. You put 2 here and you put 2 here and you put 1. And then you add. 2 plus 3? 5. Put the point. 2 plus 6? 1 plus 5?
6.
So that's your final answer. Easy? Yeah, next one. It's addition, right? So we put the point under it. So you have what? You have 8, 8, 8, and you have 9. 5 plus 8?
13.
13.
Yeah.
Do I put 13 here or?
No, 3. Up
3, and you carry 1 with you, correct?
Yeah.
Up here, right? Then after that, what? 8 plus 6? 14. Plus 1?
15.
So you put 5 here, and you carry 1 here. 6 plus 8?
14.
Plus 1?
15.
So you put 5 here, and you carry 1 with you. And then don't forget that this 1 plus 1?
2.
Plus 9?
11.
11. So you put 11 here. That's your final answer. Easy? Now let's go for subtraction. Here, subtraction, right? So I'll put the point here, I'll put 9 here, I'll put 2 here, and then you have 0. 9, can you take away 9 from 7?
No.
I can't, because 7 is smaller. So I have to borrow 1 from 8. 8 becomes what? 7, and 7 here become what? 17. 9 from 17, how much? 8. 2 from 7? 5. And then bring the 4th out. Clear or not clear?
Yeah.
Can you do D? Yeah, do it now. What's your name? Abdullah. Abdullah. How much you say?
14.
14?
Point 14.
Point 14. That's what Abdullah say.
Okay.
Huh?
I think you.
How much you got?
14.14.
So 2 people got same number. Anybody else?
Yes.
You get also? Good. So 3 people. Anybody else? Anybody else got the same number?
Yeah.
You got two people more? So let's do it together. I'll put the decimal under the decimal point. And then I put 3 here. Then put 0 here. Then put 6 here and 1. Subtraction. Take away 0 from 4, get 4. 3 from 4, 1. 6 from 0, cannot. So I borrow 1 from here, this become 2 and this become 10. 6 from 10, 1 from 2, 1. That's your finance. Easy? Good, yeah, Abdullah. And those people who got it, 5 people got it correct. Good.
دكتور في الشرح إذا بغينا نراجع المحاضرة صوتك يبين صح؟ بالفويس.
Always remind me to turn on the mic because I forgot to turn on the mic. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. He said here multiply. So I'm gonna multiply. But I just want to tell you something. Don't worry about the decimal. How many decimal places here? How many decimal places here? This one. 1, right? And how many decimal places here? 1. 1 plus 1?
2.
So how many decimal places you have? 2. So don't worry about this. Just put multiplication, regular multiplication. 6 times 4?
24.
24. What should I put here?
4. 2 up.
2 up here. 6 times 2?
12.
Plus 2? 14. 1 times 4?
4.
1 times 2?
2.
And then you add.
3.8.
You get 4, 8, 3. Now how many decimal places? 2. So you count 1, 2. So where is the decimal place here? So you find answer 3.84. Is this clear? We are in page 25. Go to page 25. Yeah, can you do B? Same way. Do B the same way. What you got for B? Now, how many decimal places here? 3. How many decimal places here? 3 plus 1? So you need 4 decimal places, right? So we'll put the numbers as like this. And then just multiply. 9 times 1? 9. 9 times 8? 72. Do I write 72?
No.
Huh? 2 and carry 7? Up. 2 times 5? Plus 7? 2 times 1? 2 times 8? How do I write the 16?
No.
6. And what do you do? You carry 1. Okay. Next. 2 times 5? 10 plus 1? 11. And then you add. So you have 9, 4, 13, and you carry 1 with you, right? So you get 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. And then you get 1. Now how many decimal places? How many decimal places? 4. So where are you going to stop?
Next one.
1, 2, 3, 4. So your final answer what?
Mr.
Ah.
you put 2 equal 5. No, put
2 times 5.
انت ضربت الاثنين في 5، المفروض تضرب 9 في 5 بعدين تاخذها مع السبعة. صحيح.
هذا غلط.
على 5.
Okay, so let's do it again one more time.
Okay.
Where is where? Here is okay? Up to here okay?
Up, no.
Up here also?
And
Okay.
First.
So let's do it again, no problem. 9 times 1?
9.
9. 9 times 8? 72. Huh?
Put 2.
Put 2?
7 up.
7 up, okay. 9 times 5?
45.
45. Plus 7?
32.
52. Yeah.
52. That
Okay.
was a mistake here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now 2 times 1? 2. 2 times 8?
6.
16. And you carry 1 with you. 2 times 5? 10 plus 1?
11.
11. Very good. Then you have carry 9, 4, 8, 6, 1. Now how many decimal please?
4.
Where is stop? Here. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4. So you find answer 1.6849. I was testing you to see if you're paying attention. So that's your final answer. Yalla, copy the answer. Next one is division. So we do long A division. I am dividing 5, 4.6 divide by what? 2.6. Now take a look here. If I move this, because I don't like to divide and there is decimal point. If I move this to the right, what happened to the other one? The one on the right side here. I have to move it to where?
Right.
To the right. So you should be dividing what? 26 divided by what? 546. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now 26 goes to 5? And not. 26 goes to 54? Yes. Right? Should we say 1 or 2? 2. So we put here 2. 2 times 6? 12. Carry 1. 2 times 2? 4. Plus 1? 5. And then you do what? Subtraction. And when you subtract, you get 2 and you bring down the 6. Now 26 is divided by 26? 1. You put 1 here. 1 times 26? 26. Subtract. You get what? 0. So your final answer is what? 21. Is this clear? Any questions? Copy? No? Now the same thing here. You do this same thing here. I'll leave it to you so you can do it. So here I have 0.8112, 0.06. How many decimal places I have to move? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I moved how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many zero you have to add? 2. So you have actually you are dividing 600 divided by what? 8112. Okay. Actually, I did a mistake here. What's the mistake? The numbers should be flipped, right? Yeah. Oh, I'll catch you, right? You're not paying attention, right? All right. So let's do it again. One more time. We have to flip the numbers. So here we have what? 8112, and don't forget the points. And here we have what? 0.06. Now, how many decimal places we have to move?
2.
We have to move 2, right? So let me do the 2. So we have 1, 2. If you do anything on the left, You do it on the right. So let's do 1, 2. So you're gonna have 8, 1.12, and then you have what? 6 here. Clear? Now the first question here. 6 goes to 8? Yes, one time. One time. 6 goes to 8. Divide 8 by 6. What do you get? Divide 8 by 6. What do you get? 1. So you put 1 here. 1 times 6? 6. And then you subtract. What are you going to get? 2. And then you do what? You bring the 1 here. 21 divided by 6? 3. You put 3 here. 3 times 6? 18. And you subtract. What do you get? 2?
Yeah.
Well, 3? 3. And then you bring down the decimal. Right? So the decimal goes up here. And you bring on 1. So 31 divided by what? 6. How much? How much? 5 times 6? Subtract. What you get? And you bring down the what? The 2. 6 goes to 12 how many times? 2. You got 2 here. 2 times 6? 12. Subtract. You get what? 0. So your final answer is what? Very good. Is this clear? Yalla, do the next one. Yalla, try to do the next one. Try to do this one. This easy. All this easier. The one in the bottom. Yalla, do it now. I will help you with the first one. If I multiply times 1000, the number gets bigger or smaller? Bigger. So I have to move the decimal point how many? How many? 1, 2, 3. So I have to add what?
Add 0.
Add 0. So your final answer is what? What's your final answer? 2340. Yalla, do the next one. Yalla, classwork. Yalla, do it now. Do anyone, okay? Yalla, who can tell me how many decimal places I have to move? 2. So 1, 2. So it's going to be what? 3.43. Easy?
Yeah.
Type here. I'm dividing. If you divide, the number gets bigger or smaller? Smaller. So I go to the left or to the right? Left. How many left?
2.
2. Yalla, count with me. 1, 2. So it's going to be 0.16544. Is this clear? Now here I multiply or divide. Number gets bigger or smaller? Go left or right?
Left.
How many?
3.
So let's count. 1, 2, 3. So how many 0?
2.
So 0.000413. Because I already have 0 before. Clear? Yalla, next one. Write each fraction as decimal. Okay? So I have 4 over 5. How can I write this as decimal?
0.8.
So I have to do long division, right? 4 divided by 5. Can 5 goes to 4?
No.
It cannot go to 4. So I have to put what? Point. And then you add what? So 5 goes to 40? How many times? 8. 8 times 5? Subtract. So the answer is what? 0.8. You can write it like this or you can write it like this. Both of them is correct. It's okay if to write it this way or that way. Okay, next one. Who can? Yalla, do the next one. Do it by yourself. Long division. Huh? Who can tell me the answer?
Zero point 375.
0.75. Who? Mahdi got the answer. Anybody else? Only Mahdi? So let's try to do it together. 8 goes to 3. Yes, neither. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Same.
So we have 2 people got the same answer. Now let's do this. Can I? 8 goes to 3? No. So I have to put what? Point. If you put point, you can add 0 here. 8 goes to 30?
3.
3 times. 3 times 8?
24.
And then you do what? Subtract. You get 6. And then you add 0. 8 goes to 60 how many times? How many times?
7.
7. 7 times 8?
65.
Well, 56.
36.
56. And then you subtract. What do you get? 4.
Put 0.
We have to add 0.
And 5.
5. So Mahdi and Nader is correct. It's 0.375. Good ya Mahdi, good ya Nader. Yalla, do the next one. Nader or Mahdi. Yes, and your name?
Atman.
Adnan?
Atman.
Othman. Okay, what's the answer?
I think one halal.
Mahdi, what do you get ya Mahdi?
0.5.
0.5. Nader, what do you get?
0.5.
0.5. So let's try to do it together. 16 goes to 8?
0. No.
No. So I have to put what?
Put 0.
Point, right? And then you add 0. 16 goes to 80?
5.
5 times. 5 times 16? Subtract, you get what? So the correct answer is what? So good ya Osman, good ya Mahdi, good ya Nader. Good. You got this?
Yeah.
Can you do the last one? Your name? Abrahman. What do you get, Abrahman?
0.33.
0.33. Anybody else got the answer? Mahdi? Who else?
Zero.
Yazan? Who else? Your name?
Hassan.
Hassan. Okay. Anybody else? 4 people got the answer. So let's do it. 15 goes to 5?
No.
No. So I have to put point.
Point.
Then you add 0.
0.
15 goes to 50?
0.8.
3 times, which is give you how much?
45.
45.
45. Subtract, you get what?
5.
5. And then you add?
0.
Then you put
3.
3 times 15.
25. 45.
Subtract.
5.
And it's like continuous, right? So you have to put a dash in the top of it. On the top of the 4, you have to put what? Dash. Means the 3 is what? It's repeated.
Infinity, right?
Yes. Okay. Next one. Write each percent as decimal. So I have 2%. How can I convert this to decimal? Divide by
By 100.
100. Okay, so we have percent and percent. So you're gonna get how much? How many decimal, please?
2.
You have to move 2, right?
Yeah.
So 1,
2.
2.
0 point.
So you put how many 0?
0.
Exactly. So that's the answer. Next one. What should I do here?
30.
Divide by what?
100. 0. 0.
So you
0.
move.
0.3.
So the answer point
3.
0.3. This one. What do you get? Neither.
0.0095.
Okay, 0.095. Good. Clear?
Yeah.
Yalla, you do classwork. Yalla, do it now. Finish? MashaAllah. Next one. Write each decimal as percent. So here I have to write the decimal to convert it to what? To percent. What should I do? Yes, Nader?
25%.
25%. What do you do?
Times 100.
100%, right? So how many decimal places you have to move?
2.
2. So it's 25%. What about this one?
6.16%.
So it's going to be 6.16%. Good. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Next one. Who can tell me next one? Yes, go ahead. Hassan.
333.
So we move to the right, correct?
Yeah.
333%. Wow. Very nice. Yes, Hassan.
140.
140. Very good, Hassan. Is this clear, everybody? Good job, Hassan. Anything else left here with this section? Well, there is nothing. Nothing? Finish?
No, we have
Word problem?
present percent to fraction.
Okay, so let's see what's written here. Write a percent as a what?
As a fraction.
Of a fraction. How can I change this to fraction?
Uh, 14.
First, I have to change this to decimal, correct?
Yeah.
How can I change to decimal?
By 100.
Divide by 100%. What do you get?
0.14.
What if I tell you 14 over 100? Is that okay?
Yes.
Now, he's asking you to do it in what? Simplified. How do I know simplified? He said lowest. So, can I reduce this? Divide by what?
2.
By 2.
7.
So, what do you get?
7.
7 over
50.
50. Clear? And you do the same thing here. What should I do?
9 by 100.
Divide by what? 100%. Cancel the percent with the percent. You get 9 over 9 1 over 100. Can I reduce?
No.
No. So that's your final answer. Can you do the next one? Yalla, do it inside your notebook. Okay, so 275 divided by 100. Then you have to reduce it. Divide by what? By 5, right?
Yeah.
You divide by 5, what do you get?
55.
55. And here?
20.
20. Can I divide by 5 more?
Yeah. 11.
So you get what? 11 over
4.
4. Can I reduce more? No.
No.
That's the final. Okay? Next part. Write each fraction as percent. So we need to write this one as the fraction as a percent. How can we do this? So let's do log division first. 11 divided by what?
20.
Yes.
Minus 5. Up and down.
So put 5 here.
Yeah.
Well, a point.
That 5.
20 goes to 11. Cannot. So we have to put 0 here. Okay. So we add what? What do we add? So 20 goes to 110. How many times? 5. 5 times 20.
100.
Subtract. What you get? 10. Then what you gonna add?
0.
Add 0. If you add 0, then you get what?
5.
You get 100. 20 goes to 100 5 times.
100.
Subtract.
65.
So your answer is what? 0.55. That's in what? We converted the fraction to what? To decimal. Now, if I want to convert this to percent,
55%.
so I have to multiply times what? 100%, correct? So if you multiply times 100%, what are you going to get? I have to move the decimal how many places? 2. So 1, 2.
55%.
So it's going to be 55 what? Percent. Is this clear?
Clear.
Yalla, copy. And then solve the next one. Find the answer for the next one. Yalla. Class work. Do the same thing. Long division.
Uh, 4.8.
4.8. What's your name?
Mashal.
Mashal. How you spell Mashal? كده
MOSH double A L.
M-O
SH
M-O-S-H.
double A L.
Okay, so Mashal, how much ya Mashal you got?
4.8.
4.8.
No.
No?
لا تطلع بالست على طول
Mm-hmm.
48%.
Okay, so this is, what's your name?
عبد الله.
Abdullah. Abdullah got different answer. He said it's 48%. And Mashal, he said 4.8. Yes?
480%.
480%. Mahdi, right? Yes, Hassan.
480%.
So two people got the same number.
يا حبيبي 5 ما تقدر تقسمها على 2 تقدر تقسم 24 تقسم على 2 تمام فممكن تحفظ.
So let's do it. 24 divided by what? By 5. Okay? 5 goes to 24? 4, right? 4 times 5?
4,
20.
20
And what you left? 4.
plus 0.
5 goes to 4? No. So we have to put point here and add what? 0. 5 goes to 40? 8.
40. 0.
So you got, what you got? 4.8. That's in what? In decimal, right?
Yeah.
I need to convert this to a
Percent.
to percent. What should I do?
100.
Multiply times what? 100%. So if you multiply times 100%, how many places you're gonna move?
2.
2. So you're gonna go 1, 2. So you're gonna get 4, 8, and 0. And don't forget the percent sign. Is this clear? So this one. So Mahdi and Hassan got the correct answer. Clear, yeah, mister? Copy?